Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this Glowworm 30CXI. It's got a flashing error code F13. Now according to manufacturers, F13 is a PCB problem. Either there's a connection fault, some sort of wiring harness, or any connectors are not connected properly. So in this video we're going to diagnose it and repair it, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first thing is, when I turned the boiler on, the pressure was low. So I've pressurized it to 1.1. Now we're going to look at the board after that. Now having a look at the board, I can't see anything obvious on that. The connections are all fine, can't see any burn marks, can't see any watermarks. So the board does look fine to me. But nevertheless, we still got to change it because the code is telling us it's confused. Now just checking the rest of the boiler just in case there's any wiring or burnt out wiring somewhere in there. But it looks all fine to me. Alright, the problem is with this. We're gonna have to change that, baby. That's the issue. Memory loss, according to manufacturer, technical, there's a memory loss on the circuit board. So if the harness is fine, then your board's got to be changed, and the harness looks fine to me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get a board and put a board in for it. Hopefully that'll do the job. Right guys, the new board's in. It's all been wired in, so we're gonna test it out now. It took me a good 45 minutes to fit it in. Only kidding. Right, I hear the fan running, so that's a good sign. So guys, the circuit board on this was faulty. We've changed the circuit board, it's all working fine. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.